Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for tuning in. My name is Amida. I am passionate about style, fashion and hair, and basically my channel is all about sharing tips and tricks on how to look fashionable, give you style inspiration, ideas on how you can switch up your wardrobe, and just help you put your outfit together easily. So yeah, so if you like this sort of content, please stick around. I've got a lot more to share with you. So without further ado, I have got another haul video. So today I am going to be doing an ASOS haul. Yes, ASOS is one of my favorite shops aside of Zara. So yeah, my last haul video was a Zara haul video, which I will link here. On ASOS you have thousands and thousands of vendors from all around the world, so you can buy from so many different vendors on the same website, and I love ASOS. So I've gone onto the ASOS website to see what sort of pieces could be a good addition to my wardrobe, and hopefully yours. So in the UK, the lockdown is easing slowly but surely. Things are slowly getting back to normality, so hopefully we'll be able to wear these pieces out very soon. So without further ado, I'm just going to talk you through the pieces and I'm going to try them on for you. And please comment down below, let me know what you think and which one is your favorite outfit. And if you've stuck around so far and enjoying the content, I would appreciate it if you please click on that subscribe button down below and just show your girl some support. So let's get right into it. The very first outfit I've got for you is this one that I've got on. So I've got my phone just to tell you the prices and obviously give you the description. So this is a beach cover up that I've got on. So this is a top. It's just a satin top and a high waist shorts with like slits on the side. I like it. The top was £5.40 and then the cover up was £7.40. I just thought it looked so cute, and prior to this I've already ordered the shirt which I was wearing. So this is actually a beach cover up which I featured in one of my haul videos. So I just think it looks cute. I wasn't actually thinking of using it as a beach cover up. I actually wanted to wear it as something to sleep in because we don't know when we're going to be going to the beach, and then I've just tried it all on and I think it looks really cute. So imagine wearing this on the beach, and if I do decide I don't want to wear it on the beach, I can just wear it to sleep. The quality is so nice. It's like satin and it just drapes. I like the slits on the side and the tie. So I've got it in a size 10, UK 10. So yeah, I just think it's a cute little number that you can wear at home or you can wear on the beach when we go. And with the shirt, I think it just looks so cute together and I love it. Together the two piece was like under my maths about £12, which I think it's a good buy, and the quality is really good. I like the strap, so you can wear a bra, and it's just high waist, so yeah, it's very cool and very sexy. I think so I can wear this to sleep or go to the beach. This is the very first piece I've got to show you. So this is the other thing that I got from ASOS. It's a white lace jumpsuit. You can see the full bit. It's quite nice. I like it. I like the style. It is halter neck at the back and then tie it there, which I think is really cute. Like, yeah, it's nice. But one thing I don't really like is the lining inside. The lining just stops like just halfway on my leg, and then the rest is just like it's got no lining. I find that a bit cheap in tailoring, and I just think it kind of cheapened the style. It would have been nice if the lining is all the way down. Just because of that, I don't really like it. But again, it's nice, it's airy. This was £24. It was on sale and I got it in a UK size medium, and yeah, it is nice. If you're looking for something like a white jumpsuit, I think it's quite cute. It's nice, it fits well. So yeah, this is another item, this two-piece set that I got, which you see on the cutaway here. It is cute, it's nice, but I think it's a bit tight. I really like the material. I think it's organza. Yes, the material is organza. and the sleeve, the puffy sleeve, is transparent, and then it's like a wrap. So I got this in an 8 because it was the only size left. It was the only size left, and I feel a bit uncomfortable. I'd rather it be in a 10. I feel like if it's a 10, it would fit a lot more nicer, and it's really a struggle to even get the zip the zip though. I like, look, I can't. This is like hard. Like, I can't even zip up. I like giving me love handles on the side. We don't want that. Nah. So I got it in a size 10, but I liked it so much I thought that I'm gonna try it in an 8 and see how it fits. And I think, yeah, it's just nice. It's just beautiful summer dress. I can just imagine myself on holiday in Italy wearing this. I think it's so gorgeous, but they don't have it in my size, unfortunately. But if you're looking for like a beautiful two-piece set, I think this is gorgeous, and it's just so airy, and it looks expensive. The top, let me see, so the top was £28, and this was a reduced price. And then the top was £22.40, and the skirt was £28.50, which is, it's just really nice, and I really like it. It was initially £38, but yeah, like I say again, oh, I've just checked, it looks like they've got it back inside in stock, so I might order it in a size 10. But I just really like it. I think it's really pretty, really summery, and it's beautiful. I just like the way the skirt just flows out. It's really pretty. Yeah, so this is cute, but not for me. Not skinny enough to fit size 8, I think, in this type of style. This is another piece that I got, which I love so much. This tobacco moleskin trousers. I just think it's so nice. It's so flattering, and I just love it. It feels so simple. Like, it feels really nice. And imagine I get in this seam, and the waist, yes, it's just like, oh my god, like, it just holds all the way. High waist pants are one of my favorites. So it just, and it's got a pocket, and it's just, the length is just perfect. Everything about it, you can see here how I've styled it. I just love it so much. I think it's so nice, and again, it's something that I can wear with a lot of different colors. So I just really like this. I really like it. Just pairing it with the body, pairing with the black sandals and the bag, I just think it looks so nice, and it looks so expensive, and it just feels on your skin amazing. Love it. Guys, look at this dress. Oh my god, I'm in love. This dress actually just describes my style. Classy, fun, edgy, sexy, like this dress, if they say choose a dress, this is the dress. And you can see on the cutaway, I just love this ASOS number, and it's on sale. I think it was from £85 to £35. I just adore this dress. The bell sleeves, the neckline, and the back, and it's sexy but understated. I'm not really like a floral person, but I love this dress. It's just gorgeous, and I just can't wait to wear this to go out. I really like this dress. It's like my favorite piece, and it's just me. It just summarizes my style, and I am in love. So here is another shirt that I got. It's a utility ASOS shirt. It's from the brand called Pinky. I like the color again. I like the puffy sleeves that it's got here, and it's not all the way down to my wrist, but I like the way it feels. I've ordered this in 2 different styles, but in a way I kind of prefer this. I'll try the other one for you and see. I can just fold this up like this. I've paired it with the same tobacco pants I was wearing, but I just think it's a gorgeous utility shirt that I can wear again, just dress casually and style up, and just love the puffy sleeve shoulders here, and that's what drew me to it. And I think I'm gravitating more towards these neutral tones. I think my style is evolving, guys, so I'm actually liking this classic colors because I feel like I can wear it in so many different ways. So yeah, so I just like it. It's just a simple shirt, and you can button it all the way. if you want, and it's just nice. I think this was again on sale for £9.80, and the quality is great. It feels really, really nice, and yeah, it's lovely. I just like it. So this is another style of the same utility shirt. This is from Vero Moda. As you can see, it is nice. The quality is great. It's more, this is £25.40, but again, I prefer the quality of the other one, the cheaper one. So sometimes I think it depends. Expensive things doesn't really mean great quality all the time. It is nice. It feels okay. I like the style that you tie it, but I don't know, like, my style wise, I prefer that one. And again, maybe for some people this one maybe looks more expensive, but for me the other one looks a lot more expensive and easy to style. I feel like this is a sort of material that'll be easy to catch on things, and then the thread will start ripping, and yeah, but it is nice. I like the type. I just prefer the other one. Here is another dress. Don't ask me why. I don't know why I'm ordering dresses, but I just love the dress, and it's been on my favorite list on ASOS, and it went on sale for £20, and I just thought, why not? I just love the style, because this is the sort of dress that hides like a multitude of sin. The ruching, I feel so comfortable wearing it. The color, everything, I feel like it looks so expensive and feels so expensive. I love it, but I think there's a problem. Like on the back here, it's a bit tight, so it's not fitting properly, but I just think it's a beautiful dress, and we're hopefully gonna start going out soon. So this is something that if you like the sort of style, I think it's a gorgeous dress, and I'm going to maybe size up and get in a bigger size. I think this is a size 8. I need a 10, so probably you need to size up when you're buying it, but I love it. As you can see here, it's just a gorgeous dress. It's just really nice. Really like it. The next item I want to talk about, which I love, is this satin pleated skirt. I really like it. I like the print on it, the monoprint, the black spots, and I just really like it. It's actually a size 12, so it's big for me. As you can see, it's falling down, but it's completely sold out of stock. I would link similar items down below, but I really like it. I think it's just so elegant, and it's so chic, and it's so classy. I like the length. I added a belt, and I've also paired it with this sandals that I got from ASOS, this strappy sandals, which is just only £18. I love it. It's super comfortable, and I think it's just so elegant and so chic. Even though it's big, I definitely think I'm going to keep it because I just like the style. I can wear it low waist like this, and then maybe just wear like a jumper over it. But if I want to style it up properly, I would just pull it up and then add a belt, which you won't really tell because it's got splits anyway, or just hold it like this on the side with a belt. I don't think you can really tell. I don't really need to even get it tailored because it's already got the split, so you can see, but it feels amazing. And I just feel like it's just so chic, and it's one of those pieces I feel like I would wear time and time again. I'll wear it to work. I'll be able to wear it like on a summer day like this. I can wear it in the winter with my boots. I've been looking for something like this for ages. It's just so classy in my opinion. I just think it's just so elegant, and it fits like so many different body shapes and sizes. You don't have to have a big bum or flat bum to wear this. I feel like it just flows. I really like it. It is a bit on the pricey side. I think it was it's actually £35, but I genuinely think that it's worth the price, and I really like it. I'm definitely gonna keep it. You can see styling. It's just simply gorgeous. I think it's just really I love it. It's one of my favorite pieces in the haul because it's just a timeless piece to have that I can wear in so many ways. I can wear it with a crop top. I will just add a belt. I can wear it with a jumper, like I said again. So it's just a timeless piece in my opinion, and I just love it so much. I really like it. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the whole video. I have really enjoyed it. Please comment down below which of the items are your favorites and what other haul videos you would like me to do next, what sort of content you would like for me to do in terms of like styling videos. And I would really appreciate it if you click on that subscribe button and click on the notification bell. It will tell you when I post videos. I post videos twice a week, which is on Wednesdays and on Saturdays. So again, thanks very much, and I will see you again on the next one. Stay safe and take care. The next video would be a haul video from H&M, where I'm going to be sharing my tips on how you can find the best summer blouses, and just a haul videos of a few of my favorite summer blouses and summer tops. So see you again on the next one. Take care and stay safe.